Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. So guys, this episode starts off with Unjengaye. He is sitting in his office, Umkhize is there and Umkhize is reading some letter. So Unjengaye then says to Umkhize, ngiyazama ukubhala incwadi yamalobolo engizoyisa kulo nomfundo. Umuntu that usually is to write these letters uqaphelana umfowethu ebegudi kabi kakhulu futhi uyena umuntu ebekhonga during things like this. Manje ke mina ngeke kuhamba kanjani lapho. Shuthi kazi Umkhize is reading ilobola letter kanomfundo ebhalwe uNjengaye, and uNjengaye is asking Umkhize ukuthi what does he think of the letter before uNjengaye sends it to unomfundo's family. Umkhize then says, hayi mina mengibona nomzana shithi khona okufundile kumfowenu ngoba hayi shame you nailed it. Unjengaye then says yona le. Umkhize then says yabona le iqonde nglo, and then Unjengaye then says hayi kuhle uPhetheni walks in. uPhetheni walks in and she's like sanibonani. Umkhize then says madam. Unjengaye then says hayi ngiyabonga ke Mkhize. Umkhize then says hayi makukhona okudingayo nomzana sengiyozwa ngawe ecingweni. Unjengaye then says hayi khuleka, and then Umkhize then says asibonge ke, and he walks out. uPhetheni then says wenzani. Unjengaye then says hayi ngizama ukubhala le ncwadi lena. uPhetheni is like, oh hey yazi njalo ngikhumbula ngesikhathi kudeliver eyami incwadi yamalobola. Hey indlela wowuthuke ngayo awuzange udle nokudla that day. Unjengaye ahleka is like lutho angizange nje ngikulobotshe ukudla yeyi bengitatazela nje le yamini. uPhetheni then says yeah, during the lobola negotiations you didn't even eat got isisu was running, and then they both laugh. Unjengaye then says mina ne toilet were friends that day. uPhetheni then says yeah. Unjengaye then says all I wanted was you to be my wife. Ngangihlanya ngawe madoda. uPhetheni is like yeah. Unjengaye then says lezo nsuku nje lezo hey. uPhetheni then says hey, those were the best days. Unjengaye then says oh yeah nakanjani kisahlanya namanje ngawe, and then they just laugh kancane. But uPhetheni you can see on uPhetheni's face ukuthi akayikholelwa lento ekhulunga nguNjengaye ukuthi he's still crazy about her even now. But I was just like, why is uPhetheni bringing up indaba yamalobola yakhe whereas this is about ilobola kanomfundo and whatnot? Yeah, uPhetheni likes being the center of attention, you guys. Anyway, next scene we see uSibongile. She is at Opo usekamereni lakhe guys. She's talking over the phone ukhuluma noZama. So Zama is saying to Sibongile, yo kodwa mngane kaze ngawukhumbula my ass ngeke uyikholelwe ke lena. Ubusi is still here flaunting her body ingathi nothing happened. Hayibo ulesibindi le yantombazana. uSibongile then says mngani ngiyacela bandle cela singakhulumi ngaye. Mina nje into engijabulelayo ukuthi nginomngani ongikhumbulayo mina. Emaqinisweni Zama kuyangijabulisa ukuthi nginomngani oweqotho ofana nawe, kuyangiduduza lokho. And then uZama then says kodwa my F, you may be far from me kodwa ngiyabuza, like I can feel your presence lana. Ngikhumbula ingxoxo zethu zasebusuku weyi. uSibongile zathi manje awusho awungitshele nje ungaqala indaba ezijuicy kwenzakalani lapho ecampus ever since I left. uZama then goes on to say ukuthi hey oh yazini like it's so much fun lana, there's never a dull day. I bumped into uZanele izolo, uyamazi ke yena nentombi zakhe basariyeza namanje. uSibongile then keeps quiet. uZama notices ukuthi uSibongile is not responding. She's like Sibongile ulalele kodwa. uSibongile is like yeah, ngisekhona, and the scene ends like that. uSibongile is out here having a conversation noZama, acting as if she's fine, whereas she knows she's not fine. I'm just wondering to myself, why couldn't she just stay away from uZama for a while? Not because uZama's not a friend, but because uZama's gonna give her memories of university, which is just going to make her more not fine. Anyway, next scene we see uThulisile benoNelly. They are setting up itafula for uWenzeni. Phela remember guys, uWenzeni went to and tell umawakho uPhetheni ukuthi there's a tutor ayifumene, or a tutor that was recommended to her who's going to help her nembethe. Kanti that tutor is actually a guy that uWenzeni has a crush on. So anyway, as uThulisile and uNelly are setting up cute nje guys etafuleni ama-refreshments, uThuli then says hi simbaxelile uwewe. Then uNelly then says yo hi shame simshayele kakhulu futhi I think uzokujabulela lokhu. uThuli then says for sure. Then leya tutor ke ngempela guys, he looks like a young boy who is also like uWenzeni's age, if not just a few years older than her. He walks in ke and then he says sanibonani. uThuli noNelly ke they're like hey hi. As they're saying hey hi nango ke uwewe walking down the stairs guys, dressed in an evening gown. That dress was so nice. You'd swear it was a matric ball dance dress or something like that. Ukogene lipstick that time. Neinwele girl is looking so cute. uNelly and uThulisile, they just smile because they know ukuthi girl is smitten and she's going all out for a crush. So uWenzeni then says sawubona Philani. uPhilani ke who is the tutor then says ukahle. Lower my heels are comfortable. uWenzeni is even wearing heels guys. uWenzeni then says right, perfect. Then uPhilani then says uyaphi ke ugqoke kanje ngoba mele sistadishe thina. uWenzeni then says yazi hlezi ngigqoke kanje kodwa ngiyabonga ukuthi unoticile. uThulisile then says hey bye. uNelly then says hey ni-enjoy hen, and then they leave them there. But you can see the tutor, he's not comfortable with the way uWenzeni is dressed. I mean, I'm sure he's catching on with this girl, she wants more than just imfundo or more than just studying together. Next scene guys, we see uNomalanga. She is outside uGwenzo's apartment, you guys. And what we see her do, we see her ebambu mnyango kaGwenzo, the main door to the house, or inside the house. She's holding that door. She puts her hand on the door. She's wrapping the door. Angazi ukuthi is she thinking of uGwenzo or what? She goes to the window. She peeps in a bag. Then she takes out a steamer out of her bag, you guys. She throws the steamer le efestileni. Obviously the window breaks and she leaves the scene nje kanjalo, and then that scene just ends nje kanjalo. I'm just asking myself, kanti indaba kaNomalanga, guys, like really abaye kudlala ngathi. Indaba kaNomalanga was a closed chapter. Now what's going on? Next scene we see uNomfundo. She is at her house and uhlezi nobhuti wakhe. They are eating. I don't know if they're having lunch or supper, but anyway, they're eating food. So we all know ukuthi guys uNomfundo uyalishaya ibhodo. So her brother is like, yabona la, hayi unyuke nayo kakhulu dadewethu, yabona la. Uhambe nayo kakhulu. I'm sure now that Weda noNjengayo are getting married, he doesn't even finish his sentence. He just says, wena phela uyabiza phela wena. You are what you guys call wife material. Yabana angaphandle walo doti uNjengayo dead, ukuthi akufaka umntwana. Angithi uyazi now. The brother can see guys ukuthi uNomfundo is zoomed or zoned out. She is thinking of her own things. He then says, kodwa ke, why ngipepeza ngedwa lana? uNomfundo then says, yazi mina bhuti, angikhoda ukuthi ngiyafuna ukushada. The brother looks at her, he's like, nakho-ke, uyabona manje, uyaphuma manje esandleni noMfundo. uNomfundo then says, bhuti, lalela. Ngibone elinye iside kanjengaye, engalithandi inhlobo nje. Unonya, unenhliziyo embi. Indlela aphetha ngayo umfowabo, igazi lakhe. She's speaking about uStanley, guys, because the way uNjengayo has been treating uStanley, the way uNjengayo just treats the whole Dlamini family, thinking ukuthi bafuna imali yabo or what not, angazi. The brother then says, lapho angithukile, akungithusi lokho. uNomfundo then says, instead of uPhetheni amkhuze, uyamvumela, uyameseka in all that uNjengayo is doing, the way he treats his brother uStanley. Ubrother kaNomfundo then says, Nomfundo, that's how people with money are dadewethu, banjalo abantu abanemali. uNomfundo then says, mina-ke angifuni ukushada nendoda enjalo. The brother then says, so you're going to walk away from this huge deal? Are you going to let this huge opportunity slip away from you? Angimfuni lo muntu othiwa unjengaye. Angimthandi. Kodwa wayenza into right by asking for your hand in marriage. He did something amazing lapho. Unomfundo then says, manje mina shuthi angeke ngikwazi ukunqaba. The brother then says, dadewethu, every man has ubumnyama bayo. Thatha le ndoda uhlalo naye phansi iminyaka iyahamba. With time, uThemba will also want to go. Uyosala nobani? Uyosala uwedwa? Hayi nomfundo. Thatha indoda wena, how? And then the scene ends like that. Guys, what does the brother mean ukuthi this is an opportunity? Should he sees ukuthi nomfundo is gonna get rich or whatnot? Guys, indaba yesithembu, you can't enter it with that mindset because that man can just pass away nje kanjalo and you will be left with no cent. Anyway, get last scene, guys. We see uKwenzo walking towards his apartment. As he's about to approach the apartment, or as he's approaching the apartment, he notices ukuthi festere liphukile, guys. Umangena ukuthi what's going on. He looks around, akaboni muntu. He opens the door, angene ngaphakathi, acheke, akaboni muntu. He comes out, he starts taking pictures, and then he calls uSibongile. uSibongile, when she answers the phone, she's like, Sawubona Sithando Sam. uKwenzo then says, Sibongile, did you see the pictures I sent you? uSibongile check. When she checks, she's like, hi boss Sithando Sam, what's happening? Who would want to do this to you? Bengicela ukuthi ufonela amaphoyisa uphephe kwenje. uKwenzo is like, yeah, okay Sithando Sam, ngizobuye ngikufonele athi ngibuze abomakhalane if they saw or heard anything. So he hangs up. When he hangs up, he's still checking around ukuthi like who could have done this. Next thing, the only thing uKwenzo hears, or the only thing we hear, is a person saying, hey hubby, uNomalanga, guys, saying hey hubby. uKwenzo athuke, guys, awele phansi, fold, and he's like, Nomalanga, ubekwa yini lana? uKwenzo is so confused. He's like, oh, isiqala ukuhlangana lento. You're the one who actually did this. uNomalanga then says, if I don't get my happily ever after now and uSibongile, you will never get your happily ever after. uKwenzo's like, ngobani? uNomalanga then says, Anginabazali. So mina I must live a miserable life, whereas wena Kwenzo wangithembisa izulu nomhlaba. Wena noSibongile, you won't get your happily ever after as long as mina I'm not happy. And then the scene just ends like that. Guys, uNomalanga, I'm speechless. Anyway, let's pause it right there because that's where the episode ends. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.